Like, when is the right time to get an attorney involved?
Yeah.
I don't need an attorney yet,
Yeah.
you know? So, like, when is there a right time? Is every situation different?
Every situation is different, but there is kind of a right time. Like, people can do a lot of self-service. I don't think that every time, you move, you need to call your attorney. But there are times, like, for example, if you are about to spend a lot of money on something, if you're going to make your first investment and you're putting down even $25,000, okay, that's a lot of money. You should talk to an attorney, and just a lot of attorneys give free consultations, so they'll talk to you for 15 minutes.
Yes.
I do this thing. I do an hour strategy session, and I can at least, or other lawyers I'm sure do, is they call it a paid consult, I think. But I sit down with clients and I talk to them for an hour about what might make the most sense right now, and whether they're, again, putting like the horse before the cart. And the other time to do it is if you've quit your job and are going to start a new company. A lot of guys are like, I am now ready to invest in real estate. And there are two schools of thought, right? Keep your day job while you pursue your research. And if you do burn the bridge and go all in, look again over your shoulder at your kids playing in the yard and understand that if you care enough to quit your job and do this, and you have enough confidence, you don't want to mess it up, right?
100%.
You don't want to do it the right way. And you can like go to like LegalZoom and whatever. And sometimes LegalZoom is great. And like it really works like 70% of the time. But why on earth would you spend a couple $1,000 or even a couple $100 on something that only works 70% of the time? Because like then you either have something that after you pass is going to be perfectly fine, or is going to be completely not okay. And so sometimes it does make sense to spend a little bit of extra like money and time doing it right at least the first time.